Yes. So
it's true. Now embassy is open. Guys, stay tuned because embassy is. Hi guys, you are watching German Gyaan. My name is Nidhi Jain. Nidhi Jain, and she is
Manpreet from Career Talks.
Yeah, so guys, she is Manpreet ma'am and she is having another channel you must be aware of, Career Talk. So please do subscribe. Link will be in description. So basically today I'm having your questions and she gonna answer. The topic will be student visa. So are you guys ready? Let's get started. Okay, so the first question which I have for you is, can my wife apply for German independent visa while I am applying for a Germany student visa? So ma'am, what her wife can do?
See dear, if it's a practical. There's someone who is in Germany on student visa, so he can also take help of a block account.
Okay.
Right? So he had not enough money to sponsor someone, to call his spouse, her spouse in Germany on a student visa. You have not enough money in the bank to show and approve their visa. So on student visa, spouse visa is not allowed.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
when you get the blue card, when you get any offer letter from the company, then, yeah, when you are taxpayer there, then you can call your spouse.
Okay. Okay. So the next question is, in 2021 or normally, how much time does the German embassy in India take to issue a student visa? Which is very absolutely demanding question now. So please do answer it.
It's normally 6 to 8 weeks.
Okay. So in this much time they do reply.
Yes.
Okay, as they are having so much queries, so normally they do solve it.
It's already mentioned on website of visa also that it takes 6 to 8 weeks.
Okay.
Depends, sometimes they can get earlier, but if they cannot get earlier, don't be panic. It takes time.
Okay. So don't get panic, you will receive it. Okay. Are TOEFL, IELTS required to get German student visa? Can a recommendation letter is enough?
See, if the student planning for German taught and then there is no need of IELTS, TOEFL, then German language certificate, proficiency certificates are mandatory. Right?
Okay.
And if student planning for English taught program, then yes, IELTS is mandatory.
Okay.
You have to show your language proficiency proof in embassy.
Okay.
Before applying.
German and English both.
Right. No, if you're planning for a German taught, then German certificates are okay. In some universities, in some there's a demand. If you add IELTS also, it may add on increase your credit points.
Your priority will be increased in the college list.
It increases your credit. But yes, if you're planning for an English taught, then IELTS is mandatory.
And the German will be
if you add same thing. If you add A1, A2 certificates of German language while applying English taught also, it also increases the weightage of the
priority.
Yeah.
So
in both cases, use both. Right?
Both.
And the next question is recommendation letter.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is enough or not?
Recommendation letter is not a mandatory document for visa file. It's required at the time of university applications.
Okay, so it basically required.
Yeah, it's a mandatory document, but for applying in university,
not in India.
In application times you need, but in embassy file there is no need.
No need.
Correct.
Okay. Ma'am, next question is it possible to get German student visa without remittance from a block account?
No, it's a mandatory.
Okay.
German government wants that you have enough money in your account for your fooding, for your living cost. Because in Germany, education is free of cost. You have to pay nothing for public university, zero tuition.
Yes.
But you have to show some amount in your account
just to survive
for your living cost.
For a survival, you must have.
Yes, they know that you get a part-time job there. There is no need to disturb your parents again. But in starting, before reaching there, you have to show money.
You must have.
Yes,
okay.
It's a recommendation.
Okay, so the next question is, if I'm 17 years old, then can I able to get a German student visa for language or student colleague?
Yes.
Absolutely yes.
Yes.
Okay.
But in some cases, yeah, it's possible that under below 18 you are eligible for that. In some cases, there is a concern letter required from the parents, and in some cases, embassy call your parents to sign
some
in front of them.
Okay.
On that condition, it's possible.
You can go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Next question is, what is the student visa processing time for Germany?
Same 6 to 8 weeks.
Okay, same.
Yeah, it's the same 6 to 8
Okay. Okay, next question is, ma'am, this will be, I think so, the most important question from you. When German embassy is opening for student visa in 2021?
Everyone wants to this.
How much students have to wait for that? Please tell me, ma'am.
Yeah, embassy is opened. Yes. So, but the crowd is more and it's a hard rush. So students are getting appointments very slow. But yes, it's true that embassy is open.
So guys, stay tuned because embassy is open. Just things are going little slow. So yeah, stay tuned because now you can
Get the appointments of visa. Embassy is open. It's true. Seriously.
So it's true. Now embassy is open. Next question is, would my German student visa get rejected because of the poor grades in German course in Germany?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. In most of the cases, we check that due to low grades in German language, visa rejected.
Ma'am, German, if I talk about German studies, the German language course, the minimum marks, which is 60 marks, which you get and you get pass.
Yeah. See, passing marks it's okay, but sometimes they can take interview type also in embassies. They can, if you mention that you learned A1, A2, they can even ask you
Introduction.
Correct.
Basic
little bit,
one,
yeah, little bit sorry. You are more confident regarding the. If you have an certificates, then you have a knowledge of that.
You have to be.
That's why we always suggest try to get classes from professional teachers, quality classes. German can is best.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, so second last question is, I have applied in German universities for MS in data science for this in winters. I submitted IELTS General with 7 band. Will they reject my application? I have 3+ years experience and 81 degree in academics. Any chance for me, ma'am?
See dear, if we talk about student visa, then every time it's very good if you submit academic IELTS.
Okay.
General IELTS only to prove your language that you are correct. It's mostly they can give for a Canada PR status.
Yes.
But if you plan for a study visa, always try to give academic IELTS.
Okay. And in minimum score, I think 6 or 7 is required.
Yeah, 6 and some university 6.5.
Okay, so minimum is this. Try to get 8 or 9.
Correct.
Which is a better option. So don't get on the last stage.
Correct.
Okay, so the last question is there any way to speed up the long-term German visa process?
Yes.
Okay, nice.
Actually, for that we have to approach Berlin embassy.
Okay.
It's a bit long process, but if someone wants to discuss, then we can guide.
Okay. So if you want, we can make an elaborate video. So do let me know in comments if you want.
It's possible, but for this we have to approach direct Berlin embassy.
Yes, so you can comment down below if you want the more videos with this. So thank you so much, Manpreet ma'am. Please do subscribe Career Talks. You will be finding the link in description and keep learning German with German Gyan and forward.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for ma'am. Thank you so much for answering all the questions. I hope you liked it and your queries are solved. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay happy. Bye. Cheers.